Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veldog and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, we're going to jump right into it today. Today I'm going to be making you the best fried bologna sandwich. Bologna and cheese sandwich, I should say. Deluxe. Alright, and I'm going to show you the ingredients. That's what we got here. I got some Miracle Whip. I also have some mustard. I have 4 tomatoes. These are beef tomatoes, and these are Italian onions. And I got 2 slices of those. I have 4 slices of pickles, and I have 4 slices of Kobe Jack cheese, and 2 leaves of lettuce. This green leaf lettuce. And over here I have some Texas toast bread that I already toasted up. I always toast both of my sides. And right here I have some ECKRICH bologna. Now I got these cut in thick pieces, okay? And this is what we're going to be doing. And shout out to my family. Y'all know who y'all are. You know, this is the only way I can show the love and let you guys know that I truly, truly appreciate each and every one of you guys. Okay? So saying that to say this, we're going to go ahead and jump right into this. And I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. We're going to turn our eye on, well mine would be 3 because I got an electric stove, so that's like medium low. Okay? And then this is supposed to be a non-stick Carper's skillet or whatever. It don't work like it's supposed to because my son washed it with some detergent. You can't wash these skillets. Alright? So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to make us a couple of incisions, which I don't really have to, but I'm going to, on this meat. And I'll show you guys how to do that. It's a pretty thick meat too. So this is what you want to do, just go like this. Just keep it from bubbling up. Okay? So, just throw that in there. So some people like to go around the edges too, okay, like this. You can do that as well. Just throw that in there. And we're just going to cook these guys for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You just browning the bologna is pretty much cooked. And then flip it over, alright? So total cooking time is probably about 4 minutes. I got it on medium low. I already told you that. So when it gets done, we'll go ahead and put it together. See you guys in a minute. Okay, everybody, I'm back. Y'all gotta forgive me. I'm over here laughing at my homegirl Bambi. I'm trying to catch up on the videos and stuff. So anyway, I'm done with this. This girl is crazy. Too funny. I swear for a living. Yeah, I've been trying to catch up on these videos. So if y'all don't see me on there, that's because that's what I'm doing, is catching up on people's videos. So look, you just want to take your little mayonnaise or Miracle Whip, just spray a little bit on there like so. Bambi is a gag. Zion, girl, you are special. Very, very special. Just by me listening to you talking, watching your videos, I can tell that you're connected with God. It's a lot of y'all. I want to say mukbang and things, or should I say things? Mukbang and things. What's the name? Virgo Queen T. Girl, I can feel the spirit when I'm watching y'all or listening to y'all on y'all lives. I can definitely feel it. Put the mustard on this part right here, guys. Okay, let me put Bambi on pause, man. Sorry, my phone, not my phone, my battery died on. We're just going to go ahead and take our, we're going to put the cheese on our stuff over here. I like to put my cheese on want to get on here already hot, okay? We just gonna go ahead and go with our tomatoes. Well, we'll put our lettuce on first. Keep our bread from being too wet. So if you want to just take this, just fix it up, man. You know, you want your sandwich to look nice, right? Take it like this, fold it like this, or whatever. Just like that, see? That's it. Ain't nothing big, ain't nothing you got to do special or nothing. That's all you doing. Fold it. Take this side, fold it. Flip it over this side. Place it on there. Just like that. Take your tomatoes. Put those big boys on there like that. Just like that. Alright, then we'll take our pickles. We'll put our pickles over here on the bottom. Just like that. Make an X. Well, you can put it on there however you want to put yours on there. Okay, but I want to taste a bite. Then we take our onions. You can break them apart or whatever. Take the little pieces and put them inside there. That's it. Ain't nothing big and fancy and nothing like that stuff. You know, just doing what you do. You know. It's just, to me, the food tastes better when you make it look nice. It tastes a whole lot better to me, guys. So let me go ahead and grab this bologna. Alright. We just put that on there right here. Take our cheese. And that's hot. You can put it on there like this. You can put it on there like this. However you want to put it on there. Okay? That's how I'm going to put mine on there. You get the other one. This one kind of thicker, so I'm going to scoot him over some. Just like that. See that? Just like that. That's all they do. Trust me, I worked at a lot of restaurants, and you better believe this is how I made their sandwich, the people's sandwich, all the time, just like this. If it looks like the picture, that's how I'm gonna make it. I got in trouble a couple of times for it, but hey, I want you to have your sandwich to look right, right? That's a big sandwich right there. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's put this on the plate. Oh, it's huge. Fried bologna sandwich. We'll cut this one in half right here. Take this, put your fingers on the side like this. Just like that. This is what we'll do. Put this bad boy right there for a little thumbnail. Just like that. If you have a pickle or something, you could take your pickle or whatever. And there it is. The best fried bologna sandwich, Deluxe. Hope you guys like it, and please make it, because I'm telling you, it is off the chain. So please give me a like, a share, and subscribe to this channel, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home guys to your home guys. And before I end this, I do want to give one shout out. And I should have did it at the beginning, but I forgot. Vicky's World. So go over to her channel and subscribe to her channel. And that's it for right now. So I'll see you guys next time at Veldog's Kitchen. Veldog signing out. And let's get cooking.